Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Asiyenze ne-recap bafethu ama-match this weekend nanokuthi i-log ihleli kanjani laphana ku-PSL. Mamelodi Sundowns ibuyile esicongweni. For the first time this season, Mamelodi Sundowns iyalida laphana phezulu. Soqala ngayo Mamelodi Sundowns na 21 point laphana number 1. Sekhukhune United silose for the first time sina 20 points. Durban City na 15 points after 9 game. But number 1, number 2, number 3 banama game in hand compared to Mamelodi Sundowns. Then iKaizer Chiefs isemuva ngama game ay3 compared to Mamelodi Sundowns. In number 5 inga 14 points. And then siyayibona yonke lokho. Orlando Pirates ke nayo ilaphana ku number 8, but Orlando Pirates compared to Sundowns ina 4 games in hand. So bona ukuthi lawo ma game lawo izowadlala kanjani nanokuthi izokwazi ukudlala i-catch up njenga last season. I-collapse or wathola ama result because ukudlala ilo i-catch up akukho easy bafethu, kunzima kakhulu. I know abantu isikhathi esiningi abantu bafuna ba-calculate amalokhu njani ama-game abangakawadlali ngathi bathola ama-points, but that's not the case. I-question nje yokugcina before ngimove away from ilokho ukuthi ikhona i-team esazosusa iMamelodi Sundowns laphana esicongweni or it's too early, but sobona because iMamelodi Sundowns isayine abadlali aba-strong. Simbonile uNuno Santos. Simovele emamatchini-ke siwabonile eBetway Premiership especially Saturday. Soqala nje ngalawa Saturday sizowakhava. I-Golden Arrows idlale ne-Orbit College. Golden Arrows isigwazela ibheca shaya 3. But what I want to say about i-Orbit College, they don't look like a PSL side. They don't. I mean, they are too loyal to their players. Laba vele abasuka nabo le phansi ba-promote baze bafika nala, which is a great thing, but you need a mixture of lawo ma-player namanye ama-player ne-experience. Yazi ukuthi bamtholile uSaleng, but is he enough? Because uSaleng naye uney'nkinga zakhe on and off, uyabuya adlale, but they can't just rely on uSaleng kuphela. They have to get amanye at least few quality players to be able to push. Because laphana kulokho mawubabheka bona ukuthi bakuphi as i-Orbit College bafethu kunzima kakhulu because baku number 12 bana 7 points. I mean, one win nje from anyone ongaphansi kwabo bona bayale emsileni, but sobona ukuthi bazobekezela kanjani. But it's gonna be a very difficult season for i-Orbit College. Siyazi ukuthi uStellenbosch bale phansi kubo compared to bona, but ke I don't expect i-Orbit College ifinishe phezulu kweStellenbosch. Yeah, it's not gonna be easy. So bona ukuthi i-Orbit College izoshape izinto kanjani because they have to start getting ama results. Polokwane City ke yiyo bafethu egcine yashaya iSikhukhune United for the first time this season, ibashaya 1-0. I mean, Polokwane City solid team, like a solid team, i-team ongeke uyithathele phansi ngempela. I-problem iy'nkinga imali eshebo ina 15 points laphana ku number 4 bona. Coach wakhona u-respected, okay, underrated, but those who understand football, they respect him because he's able to beat big teams. I remember, if it's not last season, i-team yokuqala ukushaya iMamelodi Sundowns ku-league. Yeah, this time around yibo bokuqala ukushaya iSikhukhune United. So i-team lena mawudlala nayo unpredictable, and awazi ngempela ukuthi izoshape kanjani. I-team strong, babuilde i-team strong ekwazi ukucompete nanoma yiphi team. Mamelodi Sundowns ushaya Richards Bay. Sibonile-ke nkosi yami, hayi, yeah, so it was not an easy game for Richards Bay ukuthi ibhekane nama-super power ofana neMamelodi Sundowns. Quality everywhere for Mamelodi Sundowns. I think Mamelodi Sundowns ukuthi ishaya amagoli angaka i-statement ngempela ukuthi okay, bazama ngempela ukulungisa from the previous game ye-Golden Arrows ukuthi bashayiwe, and then manje they are creating those chances because last time they were lacking create some opportunities. Matthews ukorile, uNuno Santos uthole assistant. uReynolds naye ukorile, uyaqhubeka uyakora uReynolds, uyagqilaza ku-league, so i-player important kakhulu ku-Betway Premiership. uReynolds for me is the best striker in South Africa, and no one is close to him. He's the best by far. Siyangiyazi mangizothi the best striker in South Africa abanye bazothi uRobler. Robler, yes, in terms of amagoli is a go-to guy in terms of amagoli, and when you look at each chart laphana lamagoli, but in terms of his striker overall, work rate, pace and everything, Reynas for me, he takes the cup of which is the best in SA. Then imatch-ke enye i-Durban City ishaye iMagesi. Who's this guy? Lo Gavin Hunt. Gavin Hunt ucoach ngempela ushape izinto laphana ozithwikayo ozitshentshayo laphana ku-Durban City. I-Durban City ihleli ku-number 3 surprisingly. Cabanga straight from i-National First Division le abayiwine noma ngithi Mtsipas Championship bahleli manje ku-number 3 nga-15 points. Kuzoba nzima for bona obvious ukuthi bahlale lapha bastike ku-number 3 for isizini yonke. It's not gonna be possible, but-ke one game at the time. Khona i-strike abasayinile bafowethu. Lesi abasayine sona after i-disappointment ka-Matthews. It's important kakhulu because umfowethu sekashaye 2 goals in 3 games, but could have been more. Khona ama-opportunities awagejile previous game ngasho ukuthi hayibo ngabe seshaya amagoli amaningi kabi umfowethu, but it's growing in confidence term ukuthi uzoba ngcono, uzoloku eba ngcono as time goes by. Umuntu ngempela they can model the game yabo around yena, and akusi strike esisodwa-ke khona nesinye vele bebanaso last season saseNamibia. So banayo i-firepower laphana phambili, they're able to create opportunities mebedlala laphana overall. Yiwo ama-game sobona-ke siwelele FC later on ukuthi sizodlala kanjani, but yeah, that's how the league is shaped. Sobona nje ukuthi amajita azoresponda kanjani, especially siwelele because sihleli laphana emsileni bazodlala igame namhlanje. Wow, it's a must win game for them, like there's no excuse at all, they have to win. Ngifuna uya ku-starting ukuya kungena ku-Orlando Pirates. Yeah, Orlando Pirates idlala i-CAF Champions League. uMbokazi for the first time, uMbokazi angangeni angaqali ne-match. Badlalisa uSibisi is fully fit, is ready, wadlala wangena laphana uSibisi, he was paired with UCM. I think badlali abamdlalisanga uMbokazi because uMbokazi, they trust him more than anyone. They are testing like different defense laphana combinations. Bayazi ukuthi mabe noMbokazi ane-play eligude eli-solid ngempela. So why not try enye i-defense duo kuma-different games, especially ama-games lawa angekho makhulu that much. I mean, Orlando Pirates ishaye 4. That shows ukuthi Orlando Pirates ama-superpower ngempela laphana la ebholeni lase-South Africa overall, because I mean i-team esolid ngempela e-strong. Masibheka laphana ku-Mamelodi Sundowns, siyazi ukuthi nabo bawinile ngelokhunjana nge-score esi-right.